As a beginner, installing plugin on WordPress could be a daunting task. Yes, you might think you need to be a guru before you can do that. Meanwhile, it is something very simple. It is very simple. All you need to do is to do something. Welcome to YouTube channel. I am Amos, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step guide on how you can install just any plugin on WordPress. That thing that seems more like a daunting task, it is very easy, and that is what I'm going to be walking you through. While we're going to get started right now, ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification, like the video, and ensure you share to any person that you believe might need the video. So, without having to waste your time, let's get started. From here, let's head over to browser. Whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android, it is something you can do. Just open your browser. I'm going to be using Chrome here. So I'm going to be using one of my websites as an example. So this is the website that I'm going to be using. It is a new website though. It is a new, very brand new website that I created just of recent. So you can see there hasn't been any setup on the platform. So let's continue. Tap on dashboard as you can see here. The next thing we have to do here is tap on this. So scroll down and locate plugins. Tap on it. Then when you see this, don't tap on the first one, because if you tap on it, you are going to see the list. You are going to only see the list of plugins that you have installed. So what you're just going to do is tap on add new. Don't be in haste. So from here, what plugin do you have in mind? What exact plugin do you want to install? If you don't have an idea yet, just scroll. You can install this. You can install this Jetpack. You can install it. You can install this. Just any of these. But there are many. Now from here, look at everything we have here. What we have here is a suggestion of anything you want to install on your platform. Let's say this is admin, this is ads, affiliates plugin, AI, Ajax, analytics. If you want to track your traffic, you can just install analytics. But if I tap on this, it's going to bring me many analytics options. Let me type on it for an example. So you can see all these, everything we have here are analytic plugins. All these things are analytic plugins. You can see. So whichever you prefer, you can install it. But for me, I prefer Slim Start Analytic plugin. But so let's go back. Let's search for it. I want to search for it so that I can show you how you can get it done. So let's say I now have an idea of the kind of plugin that I want to install. Just search for it. Slim Start. I knew the name already. You can see it popped up here. So that's what I used. So you can see after searching for it, it brings it up here. You can see these are related options. So the next thing I'm going to do here is tap on install now. So the plugin has been installed. The next thing to do is tap on activate. So after tapping on activate, we'll go and look for it in the main plugin area. So now let's look for it. So we want to look for the plugin we just installed, Slim Start. You can see this is Slim Start Analytics. So I've just installed the plugin. Please follow every steps provided in this video to install just any plugin you have. Just any plugin you need. You can install directly from here as well. You just have to tap on add new. So you can see it's bring me to this page, and you can just search the plugin that you want. Follow the steps. It's going to help you Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and my next video, you will not miss it.